Hi, today we're going to talk about two reading strategies, skimming and scanning. So what is skimming? Skimming is a reading technique that can help you read more quickly, decide if the text is interesting and whether you should read it in more detail, and you can use skimming to quickly identify the main ideas in the text. On the IELTS, skimming can help you answer questions about main ideas and understand the organization of the text and decide which parts you should read more carefully to find answers to detailed questions. So how do we skim? Well, start with the title. Read the title, the subtitles, and subheadings to find out what the text is about. Look at the pictures, tables or graphs if they have any, to give you further information about the topic. Don't forget to read the captions, those small bits of words underneath the photos. Read the first sentence and sometimes the last sentence of each paragraph. Don't read every word. Don't read every word or every sentence. It's a quick read. For example, here, we've got an actual IELTS reading passage. We're going to start, like I said, with the title. Just read across here. Read across here. So, absenteeism in nursing, a longitudinal study. If you don't know every word, it's okay. All right, we know this is a study. We'll go to the subheadings. There. Oop. Some smaller things here. Strategy 1, strategy 2. Little numbered bits are good to read. Results, discussion, conclusion. This gives us a quick idea of how this text is organized. We'll then go through and read some of the first sentences of these paragraphs. And I'll walk you through that in a minute. But first, let's talk about scanning. So, what is scanning? Scanning is a way to look for specific information in a text. Scanning is used for TV or movie schedules, timetables, lists, catalogs, or web pages for information. Finding specific information from a book or article. And for these tasks, you don't need to read every word. On the IELTS, scanning can help you quickly find specific information, such as numbers or a person's name. And you can find the section of the text to read carefully for more complex questions, such as why something happened or the results of an event. How to scan? Again, don't read every word. Move your eyes quickly across the page until you find what you're looking for. Use clues on the page such as headings and titles to help you. If you're reading for study, start by thinking up or writing down some questions that you want to answer. Doing this can help focus your mind and help you find the facts or information that you need. Here's a simple example of scanning. Let's say my sister is flying to visit me. She's coming on her plane today, and I know she's coming from Denver, and I know the time, but I don't know where to meet her. So where do I start? I just start at the city. Denver. Okay, here's Denver at 11:20. Yes, that's the right one. Okay, gate C19. Now I know where to go. In its most simple form, that's what scanning is. So how is skimming different from scanning? These words get a little confused. Skimming is used to understand the main ideas and the organization of the text. It's sort of the overall big picture. Scanning is used to find specific information from a piece of text. Scanning is used to find details. Skimming is the big idea. Scanning is for those small details. On the IELTS, often you'll use both skimming and scanning. First, skim the text to understand the main ideas of the reading passage. And next, read the questions. You will be able to answer some of them just from the information that you skimmed. And then use scanning to find specific information to answer the other questions.